Open PowerPoint. To begin, I launch Microsoft PowerPoint from my laptop. Step 2. Select a template. Since my topic is about energy and sustainability, I choose a green and white template. Step 3. Create the title slide. For the title slide, I type the full title. I made sure the title was big and centered. I used a font that looked clean and modern. I wanted to immediately communicate that the topic was about innovation and environment. I didn't overcrowd the slide. I kept it minimal so the title could shine. Step 4. Add new slides. I started adding new slide for each section of my topic. I click on new slide and use different layouts depending on the content. Step 5. Add content. Now, it was time to add the main content. I summarized my research on renewable energy sources like solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and biomass. I didn't copy large blocks of text. Instead, I used bullet points to highlight the key ideas. I made sure to define each energy type and mention one benefit. For example, under wind energy, I added clean and abundant, requires no fuel and low maintenance cost. Simple phrases can carry powerful messages if presented well. Step 6. Insert visuals. To make my presentation more engaging, I added images for each type of energy. I went to the Insert tab and click on Pictures to upload them. I used images of wind turbines, solar farms, dams, and geothermal plants. I also included one chart that showed how the use of renewables has grown in the last 10 years. This visual helped explain things more clearly and keep the audience interested. A picture really is worth 1,000 words. Step 7. Design your slides. I made sure my design was neat and consistent. I stuck with a green and white color scheme to reflect the theme of sustainability. Step 8. Add transitions. In this part of the process, I added slide transitions to give my presentation a more polished and engaging look. I browsed through the different transitions in PowerPoint and choose the one that matches the tone of my topic about renewable energy. I didn't stick to just one type of transition. Instead, I tried to vary them slightly from slide to slide. I was careful not to choose anything too dramatic since I wanted the focus to remain on the content. The transitions were smooth and professional looking, helping the slides flow well. I also played with the duration of each transition to make sure they weren't too quick or too slow. This made my presentation more pleasing to watch and easier to follow. Step 9. Review and edit. Before finishing, I review all my slides. I check for spelling and grammar errors. I also made sure the order of my slides made sense, from introduction to conclusion. I read everything aloud to see if it sounded natural. Reviewing is a very important step. It's where you polish everything. I even asked my friend to review it and give suggestions. Step 10. Save your presentation. Lastly, I save my work. I click File, then Save As, and save it to both my laptop and my Google Drive. I give it a clear name, Renewable Energy Presentation by EJ. So this way, I could easily find it anytime. It's always a good idea to keep backups in case something goes wrong. And that's how I created the future of renewable energy presentation using PowerPoint. I hope this guide helps you prepare a presentation that's